Hi everyone, Mehmet is here. Today I will talk about the best monitor and graphics tablets for online teaching. I will give you my own list of the top tablets for teachers. Let's get started. There are a lot of tablets outside, but which one is the best for you? It's not easy to answer this question, so I am trying to answer it for you. I have tried tens of tablets in the last 3 years and some of them are here with me today. Look at this. A lot of tablets are here with me today and I am trying to talk about the best models and the pros and cons of each model. I have 4 categories today: best monitor tablets, best big size graphics tablets, best medium size graphics tablets, and the best small size graphics tablets. These are my 4 categories, guys, and I'm gonna give you some specs, pros and cons for each model and the prices. I also added Amazon links in the description below and you can check the prices if you want. Okay, let's jump into these categories. I have 2 monitor tablets in my list, guys, and I believe these are the best monitor tablets for online teaching. Here we have HUION KAMVAS 13 and XP Pen Artist 12 Pro. I already recorded review videos about these 2 tablets, guys. You can check Mathematics YouTube channel, find the videos and watch it if you're interested buying any of those models. Monitor tablets are usually expensive. A regular one is about $400, but these 2 tablets, guys, are really new. They're really good and they are around $240 on Amazon. It's great to have a really high quality monitor tablets with that price. So I'm going to put this one as an advantage. So they are not really expensive. You may disagree with me, but you will see this when I talk about classic Wacom graphics tablets. Okay, let's start with Artist 12 Pro. This is a really good display tablet, guys. It is one of my favorites. It's not really expensive. It has a red dial here. It is super useful. And it has a high quality pen, guys, and a barrel shaped pen holder. It is super safe and the screen is also fully laminated. It has an 11.6 inches screen size. It's a good size for teaching online. Artist 12 Pro, guys, comes with a tablet stand and a glow. Great. There are also different kinds of power plug adapters in the package. It is also another advantage of Artist 12 Pro. If you are asking me about cons of this model, I actually don't have any disadvantages for Artist 12 Pro. I used this one for a couple of weeks and I did not see any problem. Yeah, okay. This is Artist 12 Pro, and by the way, we are giving away one Artist 12 Pro, guys. Check the link in the description below if you want to participate in this giveaway. And the other one, HUION KAMVAS 13. It is also one of my favorites, guys. It's a really high quality monitor tablet. It has a bigger screen size. This is 13.3 inches and similarly it has a very good high quality pen and the screen is fully laminated. This one also comes with the tablet stand and the glow, very similar. And HUION KAMVAS 13 has 20 extra nibs in the package. And this model have a very cool feature, guys. You can connect your Android devices to HUION KAMVAS 13, and I will record a video about that very soon. So what about disadvantages? I can tell you one thing. It is a disadvantage for me, but not for a lot of people. There is no power brick in the package. Is this a good thing, not including a charger in the box and saving tons of electronic waste? I don't know. That's what my friend Sagar says. But the reality is there's no power brick in the package. Okay, these are monitor tablets, guys, and let's continue with classic non-screen graphics tablets. I will start with the best big size classic graphics tablets. I have 3 models with me here, guys, for the best big size graphics tablets. Here we have XP Pen DECO 03, XP Pen DECO 01 version 2, and HUION INSPIROY dial. I also have videos for each model on my YouTube channel. I'm going to start with DECO 03. So this is one of my favorites, guys. This is a wireless device and similarly it has a red dial here. It is super useful and its pen is also a very high quality pen and it has a barrel shaped pen holder. So this is a kind of non-screen version of Artist 12 Pro. Red dial, pen and pen holder, identical. And this model is around $100, guys, on the market. I really like this one. It is one of my favorites. And if you ask me about disadvantages, there's an on-off button at the back. I really would like this one if it is on the front side, guys, so not a really disadvantage, but I don't like it. And next, another favorite graphics tablet. This is HUION INSPIROY dial. It also has a dial here, very similar, and this one is also around $100 on Amazon. It has a new generation HUION pens, guys. I like HUION pens, and the pen holder is one of my favorites. And HUION INSPIROY dial, guys, has an Android support. You can teach online with your smartphone by using HUION INSPIROY dial graphics tablet, and I also have a video about that, guys, on my YouTube channel. So yeah, it's a great tablet. And the cons: charge indicator LEDs, guys. Sometimes it doesn't show the exact percentage. It is the only problem I remember about this model. And this is DECO 01 version 2, not the old one. It's the second version. It is also in my list, guys, because this is the best budget graphics tablet. It is just $65. I'm surprised to have, guys, a very good graphics tablets with this price. The tablet is slim. It's a big size graphics tablet, and it also has an Android mode. It means you can teach your lessons online with a smartphone, with an Android device. And disadvantages of this model: I have a disadvantage for this one. First of all, it's not a wireless device, and I don't like DECO 01 pen holder. Yeah, only 2 disadvantages for this model. Now let's talk about medium-sized graphics tablets. I have 3 in my list, and I'm going to start with XP Pen Star 05 version 2. And okay, this is the tablet, guys. This is, guys, one of my favorites. I really like medium-sized graphics tablets, guys. So it is much better than small size tablets. After you try this, guys, you will also find this size very, very convenient. This is a wireless device, and I used this one for 2 years, so it still works. It's awesome. And it also has a pen holder and the pen attachment at the same time. Disadvantages of this model: it has an old generation XP Pen stylus, so the new ones are better. And also it has a touch activated express keys here. It looks super cool, but you can accidentally press, you know, it's kind of disturbing sometimes. So that's it. The next one in my list is, guys, HUION H950p. I don't have the tablet with me here, but I will show you on Amazon.com. So this is a tablet. It's a good one. It is around $70. It's a good model, guys. The surface is good, and the pen is new generation HUION, and it also has an Android mode. Super cool. And cons are the tablet is not wireless. It is $70, but not wireless, and it also has a micro USB connection. It's a kind of old technology. And the third medium-sized graphics tablet in my list is, guys, Wacom INTUOS M. So I don't have the model with me. I have the small version. I'm going to show you guys in a couple of minutes. So it is similar to this one, same design, just only the bigger size. So it looks like that. This model is really famous, guys. A lot of teachers are using in North America, and it has a really good built-in quality, and I like the pen. And this is a wireless device. And disadvantages of Wacom INTUOS, guys: there's no pen holder. There's a pen attachment here, you see. You can place your pen right here, and it has a micro USB connection, kind of old. And most importantly, guys, it is too expensive. It's about $200 on Amazon. You can pay $40-50 more and buy a monitor tablet, right? It's kind of strange. By the way, guys, none of these brands are paying me for this video, so it's my honest opinion. And yeah, these are the medium size graphics tablets. And now it's time to talk about my last category, best small size graphics tablets. I'm gonna give you guys 4 options as small tablets, but I'm not a fan of small graphics tablets, guys. If you have a budget, buy a medium or big size graphics tablets. If you can pay more, buy a monitor tablet. So I want to tell you which ones are good, but again, they are not my favorites. I'm gonna start with XP Pen G640S. It's a new graphics tablet, guys. It's a good one. I like the surface, and it has a very good quality pen, guys. It's a new generation XP Pen. And this tablet has an Android mode. There are 20 extra nibs in the package, but the tablet is not wireless. It has a micro USB connection, kind of old, and there's no pen holder in the package, but there's a pen attachment, guys. You can use it. Yeah, so this is about $45 on Amazon. It's a good price for a good tablet. The next one is HUION INSPIROY H640p. This is also a good one, guys. A good pen, a good surface, and this also has an Android mode. There are 18 extra nibs in the package, but again, it's not wireless and it has a micro USB connection. But this one has a pen holder, guys, so you can use it. And this is about $40 on Amazon. And the third one in this list is, guys, GAOMON S620. I have this one with me, so it's very similar to the other ones. This also has an Android mode. These also have a lot of extra nibs inside, 20 extra nibs inside. I don't really like the pen, but the tablet is good. This is another option for you guys. And similar to the other two models, guys, it's not wireless. There is a micro USB connection, kind of old technology. And unfortunately, guys, GAOMON S620 has no pen holder, no pen attachment. There is a pen carrying pouch, and it is not really useful. And this is, guys, about $40 on Amazon. Okay, if you think all small tablets are $40 on Amazon, you are wrong. There is one here with me, the fourth one in my list. This is, guys, a non-wireless one. There are two models, non-wireless and the wireless one. It's the cheapest Wacom INTUOS. So this is about $80 on Amazon, and the wireless option, guys, is $100. So this is the most expensive small graphics tablets, but it's a good quality tablet, guys. I like the pen, I like the surface. The surface is better than other small graphics tablets. But a few things are bothering me. First of all, there is no pen holder. There's a pen attachment here. The second thing here is, guys, the express key is at the top, so it is blocking my hand and I don't like it. So yeah, this is the last one in my list. I have videos, guys, for most of these models on my YouTube channel. You can just go to mathematics and then check my videos. I also include Amazon links in the description below, guys. It's gonna be a very long list, but you can check the prices if you need. Okay, that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, comment below and let me know. I will be with you in another video about online teaching. Keep watching mathematics. Goodbye.